Iginit ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte na ginagawa lamang ng mga otoridad ang kanilang trabaho kaugnay ng raid sa bahay ni Ozami City Mayor Reynaldo Paruhinog. At ayon sa Pangulo, hindi titigil ang kanyang kampanya hanggang hindi natatapos ang operasyon ng iligal na droga sa bansa. May ulat si Rocky Ignacio.
This is the matrix of the diagram of the extent of the operation in the Philippines. Because I was asking for more dossier, and I have to read the documents or the reports or the intelligence gathering of the different branches of government.
Isang linggo matapos maupo sa pwesto, isinapubliko ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang tinaguriang drug matrix o kung paano ang operasyon ng iligal na droga sa bansa.
The dimensions of our problems regarding drug. So ang nandito is si Wu Tuan alias Peter Ko. He is a triad member and operating the Luzon and the NCR. He's inside the prison, but he's the one directing the traffic of the drug operations in Luzon. He's currently in jail. Leader of Bilibid 19, I don't know what this means. And the other one is Peter Lim alias Jaguar, Triad of the Visayas.
Ang pagsugpo sa iligal na droga ang ipinangako ng Pangulo sa mga Pilipino.
This is a mix of Chinese mayors. Maraming mayors dito.
Kabilang sa mga unang nasangkot sa iligal na droga si Albuera Mayor Rolando Espinosa at anak nito. Nabanggit rin nito ang Ozamis City at ang partisipasyon ng ilang opisyal ng Philippine National Police.
You would notice that Garbo is indicated in the line of hierarchy. And the other one is Herbert Colanco. He is also inside the prison. I was informed that he is the son-in-law of the mayor of Ozamis, Aldong Parahinog, and is the husband of the vice mayor, who is the daughter of Parahinog. He's also one of the identified members of Coratong Baliling.
At sa pagkasawi ng alkalde at ipapangkasama sa operasyon, iginiit ng Pangulo na ginawa ng otoridad ang kanilang trabaho.
The police and the military should make sure that their enemies are dead. Otherwise, if the other guy can still pull the trigger, you will end up with a dead police or a dead military soldier. Bakit ko gusto yan? Ako yung commander-in-chief of all the armed forces. Remember that. Commander-in-chief of all the armed forces in the Philippines.
Nauna nang nanindigan si Pangulong Duterte na hindi siya hihinto hanggat hindi nauubos ang pinakahuling drug lord sa bansa.
So my appeal to them is, since they are beyond redemption, if they can stop and commit suicide, because I will not allow these idiots to run the show, not during my watch.
Rocky Ignacio para sa Bayan.